On to the various tools that are at your disposal. The market graph shows the cars in the market at present. Each bar represents a vehicle, and if you mouse over it, you get the price and the mileage of that vehicle. It's a graphical representation of the market. In this instance, there looks as though there is an outlier, but the rest of the market follows a reasonable trend, with the middle of the market around about 470,000 Rand. The mileage range allows you to move the indicator into a range of 20,000 kilometers above and 20,000 kilometers below your target car. This is very useful when there is a little data and you need to expand it in order to see the rest of the market. However, where there's lots of data, as in the case of this car, a 2018 Fortuner, you can go 10,000 kilometers up and down, and it'll give you a good indication of where the market sits. Getting back to the deal is as simple as clicking on that back arrow. The history graph shows the history of the vehicle over a period of months, in this case 6 months. The blue is once again a bar that represents the car in the market at its current price, and the orange reflects the price drops that those vehicles have taken. Once again, we can tighten up on the mileage to make it more representative, and the recency. So within the last 2 months, that's what that market looks like. Tightening it up even further gives you a good indication of some real big price drops in the bottom half of the market and the top of the market. Once again, your mid-market range is the 460 to 470,000 kilometer range. Going back to the deal, the price graph is a scatter graph of the prices in the market over a period of time. Once again, a graphical representation of the cars in the market, and if you mouse over each individual one, you'll see the years. In this example, the greens are your 2017 market, the reds are your 2018, and the blues are your 2019. The crosshair obviously represents the market price index, or realistic retail value of that car. This is also adjustable by mileage and will shrink down the number of dots, giving you a better representation of what's happening more recently in the market. Should this graph be empty and you have not been given a warning message, the idea then is to expand the kilometers upwards to get a bigger range in order to understand the market. With a car like a Fortuner, however, the market is saturated over the last period, and there is plenty of data to work with. Once again, accessing back to work in progress is simple.